Hello guys, we're tutorials on here, and this video shows you how to root your Samsung Galaxy TAB GT-P1000. So I have this P1000 model on here. I'm using CF root files, so this is a very easy way. So first turn off your device by pressing power key, power off. Okay. Now come to the phone. Come to the PC. Right here. And here you need to download this file. This is root android gingerbread tab.raw. So after downloading file, extract the file using WinRAR. Password for the raw file is VIOVO. Also write it in the description. So VIOVO is password. Okay. So after the extracting file, open the folder. And here you get two files. The first is Ordin and second is saferoot.tar. So first open the Ordin. This is an exe file for Windows. So just open the file for application. And select the PDF file directly as a CF root file from extracted folder. Where is this root gingerbread? This is the CF root and extension is .tar. So just select this file and come to tab again. So your phone tab is totally switched off. Now you need to enter your device in the down mode by pressing volume down key plus power key. By holding volume down key, press power key. Okay guys, now you have entered into the down mode. Just connect your device to the PC using USB cable right here. Now come to the PC. So after connecting your device to the PC, you will got yellow color in this COM port box. If not, you can download the Samsung mobile USB drivers from link in the description below and install it. So now just hit the start button. So after getting this pass text on here and green color or this COM port box, just close the on and come to your tab. So guys, after the rebooting your device, you have successfully rooted your Samsung Galaxy TAB GT-P1000. You will get super user file or super user application on your application menu and CWM also. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, and please share this video.